Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by pruning account clutter and confirming updates. On your Google TV, open Settings and check for System and YouTube app updates. Install them now. Once done, sign out of any non-essential YouTube profiles so YouTube's ad settings apply correctly to your main account. Make sure your remote and phone are on the same Wi-Fi. You'll use the phone for faster settings changes and ad controls. This prepares YouTube to accept the following ad reduction steps. Next, focus on settings that reduce ad targeting and frequency. From your phone or a browser, open your Google account's ad settings and disable ad personalization. This lowers targeted ads on your TV. Back on the TV, in YouTube settings, pause watch history and search history to stop behavior-based recommendations and fewer predictive ad inserts. If you want a near-immediate ad-free experience, consider activating YouTube Premium or a family plan. It completely removes ads and syncs across your Google account. Finish by blocking ads at the network level and confirming account state. Configure your router or a Pi-hole DNS to block common ad domains. That prevents many in-stream and overlay ads. If ads still appear, clear the YouTube app cache or uninstall and reinstall to remove corrupted settings. Make sure your Google account changes synced, sign out and back in, or test with an incognito session or different profile. If problems continue, restart the TV and verify router DNS is active. That usually resolves lingering ad delivery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.